amazing. The flavor and the texture is so beautiful, guys. I would encourage you, if you have some time, try and make this an amazing, incredible recipe at home. All right. So basically, I have some leftover spinach and beetroot strip inside of the salad. Okay. I decided I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna be doing something on an amazing, incredible with it by making a beautiful smoothie. It's gonna be also weight loss and also detoxing. All right, it's very, very good, guys. Very, very, very lovely. No, not detoxing. Just like if you're interested in like weight loss smoothie in the morning, this is gonna be something where you guys can also make at home. All right. So we're gonna start it off very simple by getting yourself a lovely finger of ripe banana inside of the smoothie, just like this. I love ripe banana, guys. All right, so I'm gonna put 1 finger of ripe banana into the smoothie. All right, now I have some avocado left back, and I'm gonna be using roughly about a nice good 1/2 tablespoon of avocado inside of the blender. All right. That's lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. The whole texture of it is amazing. All right. So once you put that inside of it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting a few of my favorite ingredients inside of it. One of my ingredients is going to be some flaxseed. All right. Flaxseed parsley. I love my flaxseed parsley. And I'm always using my flaxseed parsley. So if I get my flaxseed parsley, this is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna put a nice good teaspoon of the flaxseed parsley inside of it like this. And that's the flaxseed parsley right there. So amazing, guys. And I would encourage you to give this one a try at home. All right. So if we put the flaxseed parsley inside of it, we're going to put some chai seeds, roughly about a teaspoon of chai seeds inside of it. Awesome. All right, lovely. So beautiful, guys, to try something different at home. And I love to make different kind of recipes, and you know what I mean? Yeah, different kind of idea. I got some organic honey, which I'm gonna just put a roughly about an 1/2 teaspoon of organic honey inside of it, because organic honey do play a role. All right, sometimes you can put a little bit of organic honey into this kind of a recipe when you are making them at home. All right, but the beautiful thing I want to simply say to you, if you like this kind of recipe, please let me know, because I'm can always give you this beautiful recipe. So we're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice inside of it. I love lemon juice, guys. All right, we're not using too much lemon juice. Just a pinch of lemon juice, and also we're gonna put a pinch of ginger powder inside of it, because it's a smoothie. You can just put a little pinch of ginger powder in it. Beautiful smoothie. Now, the only thing I want to say to you guys, you can always use your water, or you can use your well, this one is the almond milk. Whatever kind of stuff you like to use to make you happy at home, you can use it. All right, but I normally use my water. All right, because I love my water. So I'm gonna put a nice lovely cup of water inside of the blender like this. All right, I think I may even put a tablespoon of my blueberry inside, because I love blueberry, guys. So I may put a tablespoon of my fresh blueberry inside of it. All right, let's put a nice good tablespoon of the blueberry inside of it, if you like to. Nice good tablespoon of the blueberry, and that's gonna bring in a nice, lovely, very, very cool smoothie look towards it. So that's gonna be beautiful and nice. All right, once you do this, then what we're going to do next, we're going to get our blender cover, lid on it, and we're going to blend this up. All right, so let's get this right here and get our cup right here. So we're going to blend up this smoothie. We're going to make some noise, but that noise is going to be an amazing one. All right, beautiful. So I just finished blending it, and trust me, big surprise, guys. You're gonna love this. All right, and this is the way it look. Cause I put some blueberries, so we're gonna have a beautiful color inside of it. Look at that. Ah, that is amazing. A little bit float over, but trust me, that's exactly what I'm talking about. All right, with a nice, lovely seeds on top of it, and that's what's going on in the kitchen today with Chef Ricardo Cooking. So if you like this kind of recipe, guys, as I say, you know exactly what to do. Just leave your comments in the description box. All right, so beautiful and nice. And I will say something to you guys, wherever you are, trust me, you know what I mean, you can always make this at home 100%. And please share the video. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, and remember that subscribe is also important. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. I love you all, and I will be giving you guys a lot more recipes, healthy lifestyle, healthy recipes. And this is what Chef Ricardo normally do in the kitchen when I'm at home. I give you beautiful recipes that you guys can make at home. All right, so if you love it, you know what to do. Leave your comments in the description box. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.